trying to get a good idea of how this is all going to go together. And what I'll probably do is set everything up, just tack weld it together, just with little blips from the welding machine, and then I'll put the wheels on it and make sure everything works, and then if it does, I'll finish welding it. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. Measuring in 3. Let's see. This is going to be 3 3/4. 3 3/4. And I'll measure those with a line here, using my silver Sharpie. Now I've determined that I want the back width to be 23 inches, and I've actually written that down on the table here. That's just about what I've got, 23 right there. And this is the kind of thing that can take quite a while and basically drive you out of your mind. Once you get it, then you'll have a pretty good, you'll have a frame that's not going to start going around in circles by itself. Now I got 71. This triangulation only works, that's perfect. This triangulation only works if you measure these two sides. In other words, this distance from here to the end has to be identical from here to the other end. Otherwise it really won't work. So before you do your triangulation, make sure that these distances are identical. And that's what we've done. I've got my frame ready. I finally adjusted it side to side so that my cross triangulation works. I've got my width of the front of the frame narrowed here so that when the tires turn, they don't hit the frame, I hope. We'll find out. And what I'm going to do now is, I've also fish-mouthed these tubes so that we get a nice fit here. And now I'm going to tack weld it. Okay, now the frame is nicely tacked. If I had to, I could break it apart again. It wouldn't be too hard. I don't think I'll have to, but I'm going to put some wheels on it and look at it before I final weld the whole frame. But in terms of it, the wheel hitting the frame, we have no problem there at all. Actually, think about putting in these bearing hangers here.